Hello everyone, welcome to class 9. I hope all of you are in a good health. Today I am here to teach you first chapter of science, that is matter in our surroundings. So students, first question that comes in our mind is what is matter? So I say everything in the universe is matter. For example, look at this picture. The air we breathe, the clouds, stone, animals, birds, soil, sand, plants, human beings, wood, fire, sun, they all are considered as matter. Any physical object is matter. So let's define it. Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Occupies space means it should have volume. For example, chair. It will occupy some space and has mass also. Then it will be considered as matter. Everything in the universe is made up of matter, like planets, stars, moon, sun, etc. Heat, electricity, taste, smell, friendship, magnetism, sound, vacuum, they are not considered as matter. Why? Because they do not occupy space and do not have mass. So they will not consider as matter. Next topic is composition of matter. Earlier, Indian philosophers have classified matter in the form of five basic elements such as air, earth, fire, sky, and water, and they were called as Panch Tattva. Modern day scientists have classified matter into two ways based on physical and chemical properties. So, what are physical and chemical properties? Physical properties are those that can be measured or observed without changing the chemical nature of the substance. They only change the appearance of the substance. Examples are change in density, volume, mass, boiling point, melting point, etc. Cutting, tearing, shattering, grinding, mixing are all other types of physical changes. So, what are chemical properties? Chemical properties are those that lead to a change in the substance chemical structure. In this, an entirely new substance will be formed. Examples: change in the color, release of water, formation of gas bubble in a reaction, etc. Rotting, burning, cooking, rusting are all further types of chemical changes. So students, in this chapter, we will study only physical properties of the matter. About chemical properties, we will study in our next chapters. On the basis of physical state, matter is classified as number 1, solids. Examples of solids are book, pebbles, ice, wood, etc. You can take any other example. Next state is liquids. Examples of liquids are water, orange juice, honey, etc. Third state is gases. Examples of gases are the gas coming out from the scatter, the gas in the cylinders, and the gas filled inside the balloons. So, there are also two other forms of matter. We will study them later on. They are plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Next is matter continuous or particulate? It is continuous like this iron bar, or it is particulate like sand particles. For this, we will take the help of an activity. We will take a beaker containing 250 ml of water. You can take any amount. Note down the level of water. Take some salt or sugar crystals. I have taken sugar crystals. Dissolve them in the beaker. This goes down. We will take the help of stirring rod to stir it continuously. We will see the sugar will be dissolved in the beaker. Now, note down the water level. Water level is the same. It does not change. So where does the sugar disappear? The reason is water breaks sugar into very tiny particles, so tiny that they are not visible to us. So what will be our observation? Sugar dissolves in the water, but the level of water does not change. This is because the particles of sugar or salt get into the space between the particles of water. This shows that matter is made up of particles. Hence, matter is particulate. Characteristics of matter. There are some other characteristics of matter also. We will study them one by one. Number 1, matter is made up of particles. Number 2, the particles of matter are very tiny. Number 3, the particles of matter have space between them. Number 4, the particles of matter are continuously moving. Number 5, the particles of matter attract each other. Now you can answer these questions. Number 1, define matter. Give some examples also. Number 2, how modern day scientists have classified matter. Number 3, is matter continuous or particulate? Number 4, how is matter classified on the basis of its physical state? Give their examples also. Number 5, what are the characteristics of matter? Students, I hope you like this video.